Gretchen's color, we're gonna do Blonde Me from Schwarzkopf. It has the bond repair in it, and then we're gonna do 20 volume with that. Typically, I measure my lightener and developer, but with this, I find if I measure it, it's too thick. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna foil, break up her base. It's been several months since we've done that. And then we're going to do a little smudge root, and then I'm gonna marry that smudge root on her extension so everything will be completely seamless. A little bit different than we normally do it for. So I'm gonna do that now. Now I'm gonna mix up the formula to smudge the extension pieces, so she has a root smudge. And then this is the same formula I'm going to marry on her smudge root after we get her foils out. This is Paul Mitchell, the Color XG, and I'm going to use a 5 volume clear, so it's a little bit more kick than if I were just using like a demi with processing solution. But it's not gonna be like a super high level permanent deposit because her hair doesn't need that. Progress. Oh, let's do this one. Oh, that looks great. Check it over here. You should be ready. You lighten really fast. Perfect. Yeah. Ready for a head massage?
I am.
Yes. her color is so seamless with her NBR is because I've been doing color and it's my passion for almost 20 years. I know I don't look like that old, but whatever. So her hair, that natural copper strawberry blonde, is really misleading when it's wet. It looks so red. It's super pigmented, but as soon as it dries, you can see that it lightens up. It probably lightened up 5 shades. I mean, it is a completely different color, wet versus dry. So you can't even tell where her extensions are, where her natural hair ends. It's just seamless. And that's not just the hair extensions, that's the color that we do for both her hair and the extensions as well.